and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being here. If you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and if you're a returning subscriber, if you haven't already, hit that little bell down below for notifications on when I put up new videos. I upload twice a week. Okay, so yes, this is going to be a very different video than my usual. I'm also trying to strategically point the camera so you cannot see the giant mess on my countertop right now, but I just got back from Trader Joe's, which I guess I'll kind of fill some of you in who are new. I am a Canadian gal who has an American boyfriend, and Trader Joe's happens to be one of the places that I so look forward to coming to when I'm back, especially since they have a lot of seasonal stuff that is just so good. Their frozen stuff doesn't even taste like frozen. It's like very fresh food, and it's so good, and I'm very happy that I get to shop there very often. And I picked up 1, 2, 3. I feel like there's a fourth somewhere. At least 3, but this is Loft. I'll get into that later. I have at least 3 giant bags here. Maybe a fourth, possibly. I will go look, but I'm gonna let you guys know what I got. Some of the things are things that I have bought many times and they're my tried and true. Other things I am really excited to try out. So if you guys want to see my Trader Joe's springtime haul, grab a snack and let's get comfortable, because this stuff is real good and I'm very excited to be doing this video. Okay, I went ahead and took my glasses off because there was a huge glare on my glasses. I'm gonna start with this bag. Ooh, okay. So I got this focaccia bread, focaccia, you tell me, with roasted tomato and Parmesan. Last time I was here, they introduced this, or maybe they've had it for a while. Stuff is so good. The bread is so soft. It's so fresh. I'm probably gonna dig into this like shortly after filming because it is 4 o'clock. I haven't eaten since like 9 a.m. so I'm ravenous, but this stuff is so good. This is a second buy for me. Get it if you're near your Trader Joe's. Oh, okay, this is brand new to me. This is everything but the elote. I probably said that horribly wrong. I butchered that for sure. It's the seasoning blend, which Trader Joe's seasoning blends are phenomenal, amazing. I'm so in love with them. This one is sea salt, corn flour, chili pepper, Parmesan cheese, chili powder, cilantro, and cumin. So that sounded really good to me. I feel like a lot of people were talking about this online because it's relatively new, so obviously I have to see what all the fuss is about. And I don't think I got it this time around, but everything but the bagel seasoning is just like a cult classic. So good. I love it in my avocado spread every morning. I also got mango ginger chutney. Gil uses this when he makes curry chicken, and he made curry chicken like 2 nights ago, so we needed some more. He like uses a whole one every single time. This is brand new. It's Sriracha and roasted garlic barbecue sauce. If you were to just describe every flavor that I like, it's Sriracha, roasted garlic, barbecue sauce. I am so excited to try this. I wish that I could do it right now if I had something to put it on. I'll give you guys a little taste test. That sounds so good. I also picked up 4 avocados, pretty standard. Some strawberries. Their strawberries actually looked really good. They're quite large and they look pretty red, so we'll see. I know it's not strawberry season yet, so... Oh, okay, yeah. So this is new and obviously very spring, but this is mini cranberry orange tea scones. I kind of want to go ahead and just try one of those right now. It sounded so good in store, and I just really feel like I want to slightly kind of figure out what that tastes like. So let me just kind of try to get in here. Ooh, so it's got some icing on it, and it looks like some nuts of some sort. Oh my god. That is so good. It's so soft, like crumbly in a non-bad way. Oh my god. I don't like super sweet things. This is like literally the perfect amount of sweetness. I'm gonna save that because I tend to get a headache if I eat sweet things on an empty stomach. I'm for sure going to buy more of these. These are so good. Oh yeah, it's got almonds on top. so good. That would be really nice with like a cup of tea. Oh my god, I can't get over that. So then I also picked up this turkey sandwich. I just kind of wanted something to eat quickly, especially now since I'm so hungry. This has turkey breast, sliced apples, aged cheddar, baby arugula, Dijon mayonnaise, and it's on a multi-grain bun. I'm gonna have to put that in the fridge really soon. And then I also got the chicken pesto sandwich. I think today I'm feeling more of the pesto than I am the turkey. I got this wake up coffee from Trader Joe's. I don't remember where it was, my card was full, but I think I was talking about the coffee. But this coffee, or Trader Joe's coffee in general, is some of the best coffee I've ever had. A lot of their seasonal stuff is like my favorite, and I wasn't expecting anything too seasonal because it's like the spring/summer. I don't think there are any specific like flavors this time of year. So I'm gonna try their Wake Up Blend ground coffee. They have whole bean as well. Medium roast. It's smooth and well balanced. So who knows if it'll be that good, but I trust Trader Joe's with my life when it comes to coffee. Okay, so here's another one that I'm trying, and it's brand new, is the rolled up tortilla chips with chili and lime flavor. This looks really good. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like rolled up tortilla chips. It sounds really, really good. Maybe I'll give, no, I don't want to open it because I don't want to open everything. Okay, I gotta put these away right away. But these are the Brownie Crisp ice cream coffee sandwiches. Gil is a huge, like, sweet tooth, and he loves these. I bought them when I went to Trader Joe's to have him try them out, and he's been like obsessed. Also, they're like nice and small, so for me, because I don't like super sweet things, it's like perfect. I need to put this away so fast because it's like, ooh, it's kind of melted. And then I also picked up this gnocchi with tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. This is so good. Hear me out here, because I feel like if you are a huge fan of Trader Joe's, you know that their pastas, their frozen pastas are incredible, their gnocchis are incredible, and I have just not been liking the gorgonzola or the sweet potato gnocchi. Every single time that I've had it, it's just like, doesn't taste as good as it used to. This one though has been tasting so much better, as well as this one here, which is the Penne Arabiatta, which is more, it's kind of got like more of a spice to it, which I really like. And these are the easiest thing in the world to make. Just pop it in the microwave, or you can do it on a skillet if you want. And they're such an easy meal for me to make, especially like when I'm having a full day of recording. This is the kind of thing that I want to just, after I'm done, make super fast. It just feels like I made it myself, so I can kind of trick myself into feeling like I made pasta, but I did not. Okay, and then I also got these black bean and cheese burritos. They're really good. They're just kind of, again, another easy thing for me to make when I am running around and don't have time to make a meal. And that's why I love Trader Joe's. I feel like when I like warm this stuff up, it's not like the worst thing that I could be putting in my system. And then also another mango chutney. Oh, I really wanted to try this. This is their overnight oats with rolled oats soaked in an almond beverage. This was only $1.99, which, I mean, it's not a terribly large amount, but just buying one to try it out to see if I like it, I don't think that there's any harm in that. And if I do like it, it can just be, again, another really quick morning thing, because I'm starting to try to be more productive with my morning, and I find when I'm trying to make my full breakfast, it's kind of hard to be on the ball about it, you know what I mean? Ooh, okay, so this is new. This is everything ciabatta rolls, sea salt sesames, dried minced onions. It kind of just looks like they used everything but the bagel seasoning on it. So I thought why not give it a chance? I love carbs. Then I also got these blue corn tortilla chips, which I got for something specific, and that is the buffalo style chicken dip. This is the first time I've seen this, so I kind of figured if I'm gonna get dip, I might as well get chips to go with it. I also got some Oat Beverage. This is the first time I've ever seen Trader Joe's have oat milk. I think that that's kind of like a new rollout. Oat milk is a big deal. I have an empty one here that I have to throw out. And Gil and I, we don't typically have milk, we have substitute milk. If we are gonna substitute our milk, it'll either be oat or cashew. And lately we've both been really enjoying oat a little bit more, so I needed to stock up on that. Then I just got some roasted garlic hummus. Their hummus is delicious, I love it. And then I know noticed this, which is boursin, soft cheese, and it's got like garlic and herbs in it. I really like this, especially on like a little cracker or something. You can put some like salami on top. Very easy thing to snack on. We don't typically do like our big grocery store run at Trader Joe's. There's just like things that we like to get, and then we do like the essentials, like meats, veggies, produce. We do all that stuff at Stop and Shop. So I just kind of get like one-off things here. I know this probably seems like I'm getting a lot of very random things that aren't actual meals, but don't judge me, even though I'm pretty sure you already are going to judge me. Okay, and this, I kind of feel like I just got this for the packaging, and I'm gonna fully admit that right now. It's sparkling strawberry juice beverage, and it is so cute. I could have just got single ones, but I was like, oh, but the packaging is adorable. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside, because it's so cute. And it pains me to have to open this box, but like, that is so cute. Maybe I'll just give it a little swig right now, since I'm here. Okay. Oh, she's sweet. Okay. That's something that would be so refreshing though. Maybe if I were to drink this very sparingly, I could deal with it, but honestly, it's really not bad. I really like a good carbonated drink, so. Okay, so that's it. I have to put everything away. I really hope you guys liked this. I personally like doing it. It was kind of fun to show you the stuff that's at Trader Joe's and stuff that I like. I feel like if you want to see more videos like this where I'm doing more like domestic stuff, just let me know, because I would love to hear your feedback. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video. I have to put all of this stuff away. I will see you guys next time though. Don't forget you can find new videos from me every Wednesday and every Sunday, and new blog posts every Tuesday and every Thursday, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming.